Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to place an order for delivery either on our app or on our website. So we'll come here to this login screen, and I just logged in with my email and password. If you don't have a account, go ahead and make one. It'll bring us to this page. You can also see a bunch of other details in the top left hand corner. We're going to click home delivery because that's what we're doing, and then it will bring us to the address page. If your address isn't in there, just go ahead and add it. And then we'll click next and we'll select pickup and delivery. It'll ask you how many bags that we are picking up, and your first order is just going to be disposable bags that you have, and they'll be returned. Your clothes will be returned in our bags so you can use them for next time. You can also add details and specific things in there if you want. Then it will bring us to the scheduled pickup screen, and you can select any day, any time that is available for you and for us. You can also select the frequency of your order, if it's going to be a one-time order or a repeating order. And then we'll go ahead and click next. After we have that done, it'll bring us to the payment method screen. You can add your credit card information, you can add a tip. This is important. If it's your first order, go ahead and use that coupon code first, and it'll give you 50% off. Only if it's your first order though. And then it will bring us to this review screen of everything we just did. You can see all the details on there. And then you can click confirm and place order, and it'll just process for a minute, and that'll place your order for you. And there you go. So simple and easy. Someone will be there to pick up your clothes just after that.